Okay, this is going to be under the bridge, line number 1. Now you've got 8 bars of rest to begin with, so you don't need to play anything there. And then you're going to have 2 bars of quiet groove. Here's what the groove sounds like. Alright, nice and simple. You've got your hi-hats closed. Your left hand is doing a cross stick. Now on the acoustic drums, you want to be sitting your drumstick just inside the rim of the drum here, and the butt of the stick there stays on the skin, and you just hit the side of the drum to get your cross stick sound. The electric drums are a bit harder to trigger those sounds, so you might just want to lie your stick across the snare drum like that. And I've changed on my drum brain to cross stick sound, so whenever I hit the outside it triggers, or should trigger, a cross stick as opposed to a snare drum. So if you have that option on the advanced kits, cool. If you haven't, don't worry. The snare sound will be fine. Just get used to having your hand as a cross stick like that. As soon as you've done that, you've done line 1.